फिर से मचने वाला है कालीन भैया का भौकाल, क्योंकि आ गई है फिल्म मिर्जापुर। भाई वेब सीरीज मिर्जापुर सीजन 1, सीजन 2 और सीजन 3 ने इतना धमाल मचाया है, दर्शकों का इतना प्यार मिला है कि अब फिल्म मिर्जापुर आने के लिए तैयार है। ऐसे में अली फजल, पंकज त्रिपाठी और दिवेंदु तीनों पहुंच गए हैं मंच पर अपनी टीम के साथ भौकाल मचाने के लिए।
Guddu Pandit's journey from season 1 to 3 of the series has been truly, absolutely intense. Now as Mirzapur moves to the big screen, how exciting is it for you to take Guddu's story forward in a, well, new cinematic way?
बहुत मजा आएगा। बहुत मजा आने वाला है। ऑलरेडी हमने शूट कर लिया है। वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन। ये पहली दफ़ा ये खेल हुआ है। सॉरी, बहुत अंग्रेजी हो रही थी, मैंने सोचा थोड़ा नहीं, क्योंकि सुबह भी आया था मैं और यहाँ थोड़ा दो शब्द बोल के चला गया और फर्राटे से बोला था मैंने। लेकिन हमारी पूरी टीम पीछे वेट कर रही है और ये हैं ये खुद बोलें तो बेटर है, क्योंकि दोनों अपने आप में लेजेंड्स हैं और हम सब साथ हैं इस दफ़ा, तो मज़ा आ रहा है और कुछ नहीं।
Pankaj, I have a question for you. You've enthralled audiences with your portrayal of Kaleen Bhaiya, and now it's about to make its way to the big screen. As someone who's lived with this ruthless character for so long, मतलब आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है ये फिल्म?
भूल तो नहीं गए हमें। हमारे लिए एक बड़ी फिल्म मायने रखती है, जो हिंदुस्तान में पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक सीरीज को बड़े स्क्रीन पर ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत खास है हम सबके लिए और मेरे लिए भी।
Divyendu, this has been truly, actually, path-breaking in every which way. Because as Pankaj just said it, and also Manish, when we reiterated, this is the first of its kind, and it happens only here, and it all starts here. What do you feel about this massive transformation from digital to the cinematic universe?
Hello everyone, good evening. I just feel that I'm really glad that, we are doing this, and I think more than anything, Mirzapur, how the stories, the scale is gonna justify its presence on the big screen. Right. And like you said, it's the first of its kind. We are all waited with the bated breath कि कैसा जाएगा, लोगों को कैसा पसंद आएगा. But I think जिससे भी बात हुई है, लोगों को बताया है, they've been very, very positive. They are very excited कि मिर्ज़ापुर अब बड़े स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है. So are we?
Very good, and we can't wait. This is possibly one of those movie moments that we can't wait for it to happen and unfold on celluloid. Now, joining the Kingpins on stage are the Kingmakers. Please welcome the creators of Mirzapur, Gurmeet, Puneet and Qasim.
So I don't think we've seen this kind of excitement before. 4th of September, 2026, really can't come soon enough. This is the first time a series with such a massive fan following is making its way to cinemas. As a director, Gurmeet, how different was the experience of crafting this as a film versus the show?
First of all, after 3 years of immersing ourselves in this world that is Mirzapur with such great characters, I think the moment that, Puneet came up with this idea, it felt like he just opened a door to a new realm. So it was completely amazing to be able to now transport all these characters into a world with such a massive scale, with, sort of no holds barred, where our imagination can actually take us where we want to go. And it's just going to be amazing to share that with the audience and now on the big screen. And I think there's one thing that, Mirzapur believes in is कि बस मजा आना चाहिए, and इस बार बहुत मजा आएगा.
Lovely, that sounds very exciting. Let's have the whole Mirzapur cartel over now. Let's hear it for Rasika Duggal, Shweta Tripathi, Shriya Pilgaonkar, Harshita Shekhar Gaur and Prashansa Sharma, please.